Hello, good day everyone. How are you all today? Welcome to another video. My name is Hussein and I'm back again to bring you all some of the weekly reviews and what's going on in the middle of the week. And what are the interesting stuff that's actually happening. First of all, I would like to actually talk about the US dollar, which actually traded pretty much lower against most of the major currencies on Monday as a new stimulus deadline looms, right? So over the weekend, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi gave the White House a 48-hour deadline, right? So she said if they want to get something done before the election, it needs to happen by Tuesday, right? So President Donald Trump is pushing for a deal and the White House is cautiously optimistic, but the sell-off in the stocks is a sign that investors don't believe that there is enough political support in Congress to support a new package. Alright, so the only alternative for Trump is a quick win with a smaller stimulus package, but there is also an unlikely to receive a support from the Democrat, right? There will be a stand above a lone vote on more paycheck protection funds on Tuesday, which is already over. We were supposed to see that, followed by a vote on skinny $500 billion USD stimulus bill on Wednesday, which is today. If nothing happens by end of the day, let's just say it's today, stocks could fall sharply, right? Which is leading to a broad-based risk aversion in the forex market as well. For now, the possibility of stimulus is the only thing keeping the equity markets supported. There are a number of Federal Reserve officials scheduled to speak this week, as we saw earlier in our economic calendar, but there is very little market moving data outside of the market PMI numbers on Friday that will be shed some light on whether the record-breaking new COVID-19 cases in 10 states took a bit out of growth in October. So currently we are only looking at 2 US states showed a downward trend in the COVID-19 cases, and the impact of a rising coronavirus cases in October will be an important question that we will get an answer in this week. We have got Eurozone and US, more that are coming out scheduled for release, and the Euro was one of the, the strongest currencies on Monday that we saw keep climbing higher. Having a look at the US dollar, which is right in front of me, based on the price section analysis, as you see, guys, over here, that's what it has developed some sort of a head and shoulder. But I would see that this neckline is getting out of reach, and we will see the dollar is expected to fall further. Right now, where it could be, it might find a support somewhere at this zone, but I see that on today, dollar is going to be weakened, and we could see more weakness coming on its way. Right. On the other hand, if I just show you analysis on some of the other currency pairs, I see that GBP JPY is also expecting to lift up from this particular zone. I can actually just show it to you right here. So let's just find GBP JPY. Obviously we have more data coming out later during our price section analysis, but I can just show you some quick review on how you can actually position yourself. So you see from here, it should be an up move coming up. On the other hand, most of the stocks came under pressure, right? And as you could see that there could be a bit of correction all the way down before it could actually go back again, because from here we see that there is a major support that is supporting this particular zone for Visa. Right now, on the other hand, just a quick review, guys, of Netflix actually fall out of expectation. The users did not turn out to be as they were expecting. They expected 3 billion users, whereby it come about 2 point something and so on. Right, we can expect this to actually come back, but looking at the price action analysis, guys, over time we will see this pull back to the upside. Right, Dow Jones Industrial Average, for the Dow Jones Industrial Average is also under pressure. As you see, I spoke about that earlier of the week. Market is waiting for the stimulus deal to be done, and all eyes are on that. So let me just quickly show it to you for Dow Jones Industrial Average, which will be also giving us some indication on how the stock market is overall performing. Right, so yeah, it is under pressure. I will see that, but I see that currently it is in the midst of developing a pattern which we need to wait and see. It's more of like a wait and see mood, right, guys? Because you see from here, when I see on this, let me just make it clear so you have a better understanding. Here you go, and from here this pattern is for me, it's one of my favorite pattern, and I see that from here we're gonna wait and see. And I see today it's gonna push up, but to see a further upside, we need to see a break up from here, right, which we need to monitor accordingly, right. We could be able to pull back, but then we will see an upside coming. For now, I see that on an intraday basis, Dow Jones is going to push up, right. This could be your profit taking levels if you are a short-term trader. However, any further updates, we will be keeping you informed. Till then, you guys take care, and that's all for the day. We'll be back again on Friday to bring you all the overall weekly review and how we will be looking into the market for the next coming week. All right. As for now, I am going to sign off, and I will see you guys during our London session forecast. Take care and have a great trading day. Bye bye.